Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. And today's video is actually in response to a question, not even a question, a tip from the man like Dan Fatal. Fatal or Fatal, I think. Sorry if I butchered that. Real sorry about that, Giza. But yeah, big up to you, mate. And this is in response to the sound design sort of thing, tutorial if you like, that I did on the Emu recently, man. And it's pretty cool really, because I thought I'd check this out and also give you guys kind of first reaction. But Dan was in response to that and he said looks like a similar thing to what MMORPH or Zynaptiq Morph does now. So let's have a quick peek at that and see what it's all about. So I've gone on the old YouTube and I found a video on it and we can just watch it together and see what it's all about.
MMORPH is the #1 sound design tool that unleashes a vast creative potential for musicians and sound designers alike. With an unrivaled crisp sound, it lets you morph two audio sources into each other by blending their spectral and dynamic characteristics. It offers countless possibilities and ultimate control to change the way of morphing.
So that kind of looks similar to what we were watching on the old Emu. So I wonder if it does the same thing. Opening the door to completely new and exciting realms of sounds on the intersection of two sounds. Kind of sounds like a mad filter. I'm not sure if it does the same thing, but it's definitely interesting, definitely something to mess about with. They do sound kind of similar though, but I guess that's the idea, innit? Excuse the pots and pans in the background, guys. The studio's right near the kitchen, and it's kitchen missus is in there making a lovely meal right now.
Utilizing completely new proprietary state-of-the-art algorithms, MMORPH retains a maximum level of detail and depth at all times. We'll just listen to a few examples to get an idea of it.
It sounds dope, but it kind of just sounds like a filter, like it's kind of like a different envelope for a filter in it. What do you reckon? It's definitely a tool worth having. I'm now sitting there thinking, I wonder what a mentasm would sound like in this thing. Just sounds like a filter. Like a kind of like a cool filter envelope. Definitely something different, man. Unique. It's got kind of depth to it. Well, that sounds like it's running hot there, man. Vocals. like that, man, for them big string tunes. Guys, comment down below. Do you reckon it's worth a buy or not? Check it out, man. I don't even know how much it is. Some Halloween business. Yeah, man, that's kind of deep, man. Yeah, that's definitely another effect that you can use, man, in your productions for real. All right, guys, I'll put a link to the video down below in the description, right? You guys go there, have a look, and tell me what you think of it. In the meantime, let me see what the other one is. I want to check out the other one. This is called Zynaptiq Morph. What's a Zynaptiq Morph? Let's see what that does. I've also managed to get a copy of the E4X software from Emu Retro, and I'm messing about with that transform multiplier at the moment. And I've got to say, it's pretty cool, man. It really is. Okay, so the Zynaptiq Morph is £145. Let's see what this thing does. All right, so let's see. So big up the production.
Hi guys, Dan
expert.
Cooper here from Pro Tools Expert, and I've got myself a copy of Morph 2 by Zynaptiq. What is Morph? Well, in a nutshell, and for want of a better word, this plugin morphs two audio sources together in real time. It does this in ways that I don't technically understand. However, I'm really loving the creative sounds I'm getting from this so far. Zynaptiq do dumb down the explanation of this, and I'm quoting, the sonic equivalent of one object slowly changing into the shape to become a different object.
Sounds pretty similar to what we're doing, isn't it? With the Emu one. Maybe all this is sort of, the Emu is the OG godfather of all that.
One face becomes another. Following me so far? It's going to be easier for me just to demo this in a music context so you get an idea of what I'm on about. So I've got two audio samples here. I've got strings, and this is on A, and I've got drums, and this is on B. And for us to get these to work together, we can crossfade between the two. We can do that already in Pro Tools, for instance, with just our faders in the mixer. But what we can do is use Morph to fade between them at the top here on the X fade. So let's hit play. So I've got strings, which is on A. I'm going to slide across. Hear the drums coming in towards B. Just a normal audio crossfade. But listen now, if I start to pull down this blob towards A here, something very, very different happens.
Gives you rhythm.
And then we'll get back to the strings.
Some next level kind of multi-band business.
We'll go back the other way at the bottom of the X fades. Again, this is just a normal volume crossfade. And then we'll be at the drums. And then push it back up to A, the morph. And then through to the center.
All right, real quick. Tell me, guys, if you know anything that you can do this with in Reactor, because I'm kind of getting Reactor vibes from this, man. Tell me what you think. For those of you who don't know, Native Instruments.
Quite like.
Native Instruments Reactor, yeah?
Go over here. So as you can probably tell by now, this is quite a unique plugin. We've got basic levels control on the right here, so if I wanted to put back in, let's say, a bit more of the dry drums, I could just do that here. You can solo each one of the inputs. Maybe bring the strings in a bit more. We've got the formant over here. Let's just go a little bit more crazy with our sounds. Different algorithms for different things. We've got some presets and this rather cool reverb.
Pretty dope, man. Right, guys, I'm going to put a couple of links down in the description down below. Go there, guys. Support them guys' channels because it's wicked. Check it out. Let me know what you think. That was a production expert. I'm going to sub to that right now. Big up to you, mate. And just let me know, man. Let me know what your views are on it and how you think that kind of compares up to the morph that we've been messing with on the EMU E4X. Maybe the E4X is the OG of these kind of programs, but it's good to know you can get something like that in software as well as hardware, because obviously the hardware one to blend the two sounds together takes quite a while. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace.